Hello kids, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 17, Agreement of the Word with the Subject. Okay, so let's start now this chapter kids. Read the following sentences. Number first है the girl sings a song. Next है the girl singing a song. The first sentence में जो subject है girl is in the singular, वह singular में है. Number therefore the verb sings is also in the singular. In the second sentence में the subject है हमारे पास girls is in the plural number में. Therefore, the verb sing is also in the plural. Thus, it is clear from these sentences that a verb takes the same number as its subject. Now read the following sentence. I walk in the morning. मैं morning में घूमता हूँ. She writes a letter. वह एक पत्र लिखती है. In both these sentences में the subject है is in the singular number में, but in the first sentence है the subject I belong to the first person में. In the second sentence है the subject she belongs to the third person में. फिर always remember we generally makes singular verb by adding s at the end. Next है for example the boy learns his lesson. We do not add s in the plural verbs. For example, as she goes, go to school. I is the special pronoun. It is singular in numbers, but I takes up plural words. For example, I write a letter. Some special application of the rules are as follow. Number first, two or more singular subject connected by and take up plural verb. For example, सरिता एंड अनीता आर क्लासमेट. जब दो सिंगुलर शब्दों को एक साथ जोड़ा जाता है तो वो एंड के माध्यम से जोड़ा जाता है. मुंबई एंड चेन्नई आर मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज. नेक्स्ट है टू और मोर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है हमारे पास. कनेक्टेड बाय किया जाता है एंड से टेक अ सिंगुलर वर्ब के साथ. इफ इट इज रेफर टू द सेम पर्सन और सेम थिंग्स. एग्जाम्पल द प्ले राइट एंड पोएट इज नो more. टू और द मोर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है हमारे पास कनेक्टेड होते हैं एंड से टेक अ सिंगुलर वर्ब के साथ इफ दे एक्सप्रेस वन थॉट और वन आइडियाज. एग्जाम्पल है ब्रेड एंड बटर इज माई फेवरेट ब्रेकफास्ट. खेले टू सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है कनेक्टेड बाय एंड इट टेक्स अ सिंगुलर वर्ब इफ दे आर प्रेसीड बाय ईच एंड एवरी. Each boy and every girl was given a gift. Two or more singular subject connected by it or not take a similar verb. Neither tea nor coffee was served to us. When one of the subject connected by or nor is plural, the verb must be plural. The plural subject should be put nearest the verb. Neither the doctor nor the nurse were in the hospital. उसके बाद है when two subjects होते हैं connected by or nor से belong to different people से the verb agrees with the nearer subject. Number first है either she or I am misunderstood. Either you or she is misunderstood. When a singular noun, जब singular noun is connected होता है to a second noun से by with or as well as से the verb must be singular. जैसे मोहन with his companion was playing cricket. Archana as well as the Anita are knitting the sweater. A noun which is plural in the form but singular in meaning takes a singular verbs. The news wasn't true. The weeks of the gifts sin is death. The collective noun takes a singular verb when the collection is thought of as a whole. It takes a plural verb when the individual of the collection are thought of separately. Okay. The committee has issued its annual reports. The committee has been divided in the final decision. Okay. चलिए फिर है when you are none of with an uncountable noun, the verb is in the singular. Example है none of work was finished. Work क्या है? Uncountable noun, was है singular verb. But when you are none of with a plural nouns or noun or a singular noun referring to the group of the people or things, you can use either a singular or a plural noun. जैसे none of trains हो गया plural noun और is या are हो गया हमारा singular या plurals में going to कोलकाता. Then the plural noun is proper noun. जब plural noun हमारा proper noun में होता है for some singular things में होता है, it is should be followed by a singular verb. Example, the United States is a democratic country. Gulliver Travels is a popular book. When a plural noun refers to some specific amount of the quantity considered as a whole, the verb must be singular. Example है 50 kilometer is a long walk. Okay? चलिए. Now kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.